How to delete Paysend account. The process for deleting a Paysend account may vary. So open the Paysend website or mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Look for options in the app or website related to your account settings or for file information. In the account settings, there might be an option labeled Closed Account or Delete Account. This option is typically located in the Settings or Privacy settings. Once you have located the account closure option, follow the on-screen instructions. The platform may ask you to provide a reason for closing your account or complete additional steps for security purposes. After completing the closure process, check your email. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.